Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways to block a number. The first one will show you how to block a number which you've got currently saved on your contact list, and the second will show you how to do it kind of manually and how to customize the blacklist. So let's start with the contacts. Let's open the contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. So let me pick this cute little panda, and here we have to tap on this 4 dots icon in the right lower corner. Now let's tap on block contacts, and as you can see we've got this information that the panda has been blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by using this option remove from blacklist, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So right now, moving to the second way of blocking the number, we have to do it in the phone section. So let's tap on the phone, tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on blocked. As you can see right here we've got some customization of the blacklist, so we can manage call block rules and message block rules. Right here you can decide whether you want to block all incoming calls, all unknown numbers, or private withheld numbers. Up to you. You can activate each option just by tapping on the switcher, and in the messages you can only block unknown numbers, so the messages from unknown numbers. Alright, let me enter the settings in the right upper corner, and as you can see we've got more options. Right here we've got our block list right here. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got this panda number, so for sure the first option also worked. What is more, we can check how much blocked calls and blocked messages we've got from this number, and right here we've got this add option. So after tapping on it, you've got plenty of options to choose from. You can add it manually, so for example you can paste it if you've got it copied. You can block prefix, add from contact, so again the same option I've just shown you before. However, here you can block a lot of contacts in a row, so you don't have to do it manually. You don't have to block each contact a time, kind of. Okay, you can add it from call log and from messages, whatever. I just wanted to show you add manually. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got this section where you can enter the number, you can paste it as I said, and simply tap on OK, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Of course you can unblock the number, just tap on it and hold it, and as you can see you can remove only one, or select all, or mark like 2 or 3 different numbers, and simply tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see the blacklist is empty. And after getting back to the previous section, just a quick disclaimer about the trust list and the keyword block list. This is a quite cool option because your device is you can set some particular rules to your device, and your device will follow them in order to block particular messages. What I wanted to say is that, for example, when you will add the keyword, for example, weather, lamp, camera, etc., your device will block all messages which contain this particular word, which is quite cool. I just wanted to show you that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.